Alright guys, so we're doing a review today on Devil Dog Pride food truck here down in Fort Story, next to the Virginia Beach area. If you're down in the Fort Story area and you're here to visit the lighthouses and this food truck is out here, make sure you stop in and check these guys out. The reason I say that is because a couple of months ago, which is what I told from one of the owners, 5 months ago, they started this business as their retirement. They had some up and down, but with the luck of their Heavenly Father, they were able to secure a contract here on Fort Story to support their business and hopefully retire happily in the future. I'm here today to try some of their food and give you guys a Colossal Eats review and see what my take is on it, and hopefully that you will be able to come down here and try some of their food and support their business. Colossal Eats, am all about supporting small businesses and anyone who has anything to deal with food. So if you guys are all about food and love food just as much as I do, and you got a nice business, which is one here behind me, which is Devil Dog, make sure you try them out and try the delicious food, which I've been told, and I'm going to try it out today and let you guys see what they got. So here at Port Story, you got here behind me the two lighthouses next to the beach, all of that all in one. So make sure, once again, check these guys out. Guys, if you can see these sweet potato fries, I promise you, you're going to be like, wow, they look so delicious. And she told us that was a small. If that is a small, I am afraid to see what a large looks like. This is just too much. So what I'm trying today is their Devil Dog, which is modeled after their business. And I am told that it is the best dog and the most selling hot dog here on base. And it is a quarter-pound all-beef hot dog stuffed with jalapeno and wrapped with applewood bacon. Y'all know me, I love bacon. And then to have bacon on a hot dog, that's like the colossal lifestyle. And it's topped off with some great Dijon mustard. So we're gonna try that, and along with these sweet potato fries, and we also tried some sweet corn hush puppies, and they sound so delicious, and everything that I tried today sounds delicious. So once again, if you guys are in the area of Fort Story, please come out and make sure you try this wonderful meal. I promise you. Look at all this she got for us. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at this. She made this especially for me. This is exclusive for Colossal Eats only. So don't be requesting this, guys. This is only a one-time thing. And like I say, guys, make sure you go out and support these guys. Please do. Yeah, I got all that video. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it goes perfect with Dijon mustard. Look at that. Just look at that. The highlight. The highlight reel. This is the quarter-pound Devil Dog. It's stuffed with jalapenos, and it's wrapped in applewood bacon. And these are the.
What else can I do for you guys?
That's it.
Okay. Okay, so I have a Devil Dog, and then I have a small hush puppy, and I have a small sweet potato.
So I thought this was just a regular cake, but it's actually a Devil Dog cake. So I don't they got these to go along with the theme of their truck here. And that's totally neat. I like that. It's neat. Check that out. Devil dogs.
It's so good, yo.
Wow. My wife says it's good. And like I told you guys before, these tots are exclusively for Colossal Eats only. It don't matter. They're so good. If you're down here in the Cape Henry area, Fort Story, next close to Virginia Beach, and you got base access, come check these guys out. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. These are so good. And these are small. She showed us the largest, and I was the largest. I was just like, yeah, see how big that is?
In comparison.
Yeah, let's get this right.
You're horrible. Back it up.
So that this is a large, and that's a small. So imagine getting a large one of these. This is enough for the both of us, and we glad we got a small because we probably would have been taking this home. The sour cream and just the scallions and just the bacon and this applewood bacon also. It tastes so good. Bits. And she made that exclusively once again only for Colossal Eats. So guys, please do not be asking for this. I know you see me have it, but that's just only because it's exclusive to me.
Man, those scallions set it off.
Yeah, scallions do set things off.
They only sell tots in a large size. So
it don't matter.
This is a meal on its own.
Yeah. So guys, please do not order all this food. You just can't eat it all. They're perfect proportions. Makes it everything. Even just eating these alone with scallions and sour cream. You guys ever had scallions and sour cream? So delicious.
A great thing they're doing there.
Yep. He's retired military.
Like a perfect match.
He's spent 30 years serving in the Marine Corps, and he retired, and his wife finally retired for working for the airline for a number of years, and this is their retirement. So this is what they're planning on doing to enjoy their lives together, and I think they're doing a hell of a good job. Just in general, serving others,
their country still,
because they definitely serving all of these military folks here on base. They've had some rough patches, but I promise you, with my help, I'm gonna help them get to higher.
I wanted you to meet my devil dog. This is my husband,
nice
Jerry.
To meet you. We're actually still doing the review.
I know, because I saw it, and I'm like, he's going to kill me because I'm interrupting him.
I don't want to interrupt. No, you good. You good.
Like, I want to meet him.
Okay. All right, guys. Let's calm down. Let's get back.
It smells amazing.
Let's get back. All right. We're just the owners, both the husband and the wife. Just came back to the vehicle again, and I think you guys got some of them into the video just a second ago.
Arizona.
And we were just talking about how just expanding on their business just a little bit more. But once again, all the food is well worth it. It's perfect. It's just great. I'm definitely going to shout them out on the channel. I want to promote them on the page, and hopefully get more business to them, because I like upcoming businesses. Someday, if I ever get big and get the funds to do something similar to that,
very nice.
I want somebody to support me just like I want to support them. So if I'm ever down here again and I'm feeling hungry, I promise you I will stop there, just because the food is so delicious. sweet potato fries. The dog, I heard the burger was good, so the next time I'm definitely gonna try that burger. That burger sounded so delicious, but that dog had to go with this video because it goes with the theme. And
And they're very nice.
they are very nice people, sweet couple. I appreciate them so much, and you guys, I promise you, appreciate them too. This is good. Everything's good. Man, you didn't even try the dog. You
There's
can't
mustard
just
on it.
that mustard. I promise you, that
But I don't
mustard
like
goes
mustard.
with it.
I'm gonna try it.
She's gonna like it.
Listen, you guys.
She's gonna like it. She don't like mustard, but that's okay.
I don't
She's
like mustard.
she's gonna love it. Stop acting like that.
I know. Ah.
Bite it.
Behind all this mustard, it is a good dog.
Behind all these fries, they good. I mean, she gave us a lot of food, and it was so good. Ready.
It won't work for you, Suki.